Hey there, need to see your current portfolio value or grab a statement for tax time? Checking your balance and statements on Fidelity is instant and comprehensive. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to find it. Once logged into fidelity.com or the mobile app, your total account balance is front and center on the summary page. Click into any specific account to see its detailed balance, including cash available to trade. For statements, go to the Accounts and Trade menu, select Statements, and choose the account and date range. Your monthly, quarterly, and annual statements are all stored here in PDF format. My crucial pro tip: use the Activity and Orders tab for real-time clarity. This shows every pending trade, dividend payment, and settled transaction. It's the most accurate, up-to-the-minute picture of your account's cash flow, separate from your long-term statements. That's how you get a crystal clear, organized view of your finances in seconds. Do you review your investment statements monthly, or just at tax time? Let me know your routine below. For more tips on managing your financial records, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.